Here's how to sell crops, ores, fish, and any other items in Stardew Valley. The main selling method is the shipping box, the brown box on the left side of your farmhouse near the front door. Open your inventory, select any item you want to sell, and left-click the shipping box to place it inside. You can add as many items as you want in a single day. You will not receive the money immediately. The sale processes overnight when you go to sleep. The following morning, you will see a detailed breakdown showing exactly how much each category earned: crops, foraging, fishing, mining, and other. Your total earnings from the previous day are added to your wallet automatically. An important tip: items in the shipping box cannot be taken back once placed. If you accidentally put something in that you wanted to keep, reload your save before sleeping or you will lose it permanently. You can also sell directly to shopkeepers, like Willie at the fish shop or Marnie at her ranch for certain item types. But the shipping box accepts everything and is the most convenient option for bulk selling at the end of each day. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on step-by-click.